Imagine grabbing a spoon that gently shakes off every crumb and drop by itself, swirling like a tiny silver tornado while you watch in awe, wondering how your kitchen suddenly turned into a calm, futuristic magic show. Now picture a self-cleaning knife that never needs scrubbing. Its surface glowing softly as invisible waves push away stains, sliding across the air while tiny food particles drift off like harmless glowing dust. On the counter, a fork begins to hum, its prongs vibrating in a rhythmic dance, shaking off bits of pasta that dissolve into sparkling mist, as if the utensil itself refuses to stay dirty for more than a second. Above the sink, a floating ring of light forms a tiny cleaning portal. Spoons, knives, and forks glide through it in a slow loop, emerging polished and gleaming, like a serene kitchen carousel in constant motion. In a drawer, smart utensils rest side by side, each wrapped in a faint halo. Every few seconds, small swirling gusts of invisible wind sweep along them, lifting specks of food into the air before they vanish. On the stove, a self-cleaning ladle rises from a bubbling pot, rotates slowly, then releases a gentle shimmering pulse. Sauce droplets slide off its curved surface and fall back, leaving the utensil spotless and ready. At the center of the kitchen, a glowing stand displays a set of futuristic utensils, each constantly rotating and tilting. Stains appear, then instantly dissolve into colorful wisps that spiral away like tiny clouds. Finally, the whole kitchen becomes a quiet dance of motion. Drawers sliding, utensils gliding, invisible cleaning currents swirling everywhere, promising a future where mess disappears almost as fast as it is made.